This is one of the 500s we've got in our showroom in Macclesfield. I'll now connect a smartphone app to this door. First thing we need to do is access the control panel on the side, and I'll actually factory reset this door, so we start with a completely clean slate. So I'll press button 1, 2 and 3 down. I have to press them all simultaneously and hold that down for 10 seconds. I can hear the scanner beep, and I'll just keep holding it. 9, 10. I've now released the buttons. You'll see the scanner with doing a different light sequence. And actually at this point here, you'll see the LEDs flashing behind the handle, showing you if the LEDs are working on that side of things. So now the scanner itself is reset and it's in the factory mode, so you've got the 2 red lights flashing. To add fingerprints, the free administrator prints, press button 2 and button 3 together for 2 seconds. I've just heard the scanner beep. And now I'm just going to add 3 administrator fingers. So I'll use my right thumb. 1, 2, 3. So 1 long green beep. This finger's saved. 1, 2, 3. And I'll use my middle finger as well. 1, 2, 3. So this door is now set up, and it's got my thumb, index and middle finger set up as admin prints. So I can unlock the door, but more importantly, as an admin, I can access functionality of the product. So now to switch on the Wi-Fi of the door to connect a smartphone app, press button number 3 for 2 seconds. The scanner beeps. I now need an administrator print. Just my thumb. Goes green because it was an admin finger, and now the Wi-Fi will launch. The door actually creates its own Wi-Fi network, which switches off after 10 minutes. And that's for security, so you can only connect to the door through its own Wi-Fi. It actually doesn't connect to the internet. It's only designed to set up with your phone. The Wi-Fi light has just gone solid, so we're now going to launch the InoSmart app on our phone. So Laura's got it on her phone there. She's just launched the app. We'll cancel that step, and we'll now add a new reader. Add a new reader. It will now connect to the door. Do you want to join the network? Join. Now connecting to the reader. Do we want to join the network? Yes, please. Okay. Now it would like us to name the door. We'll just call it door for now. Okay, confirm. And now to access the settings on the door, if you click on door itself, as soon as it's set up. Oh, my bad, I was a bit too quick there. If we just, it will just come up now in just a second. There we are, connect. It's now set up the door, join, and now accesses the door itself. Okay, it's loading the data. Now we just have to confirm actually we'll cancel the update on this one just for the video. So, in this app we can see the users and timers and so on, and we can also access features of the doors. So we'll go to tap to show more options to go to the LEDs. So here we can rename the door, and then to access the LED lights, it's on settings. And then here we can see handle light power. So actually Laura will increase that now. And we can actually increase the light on the scanner. If she runs her finger up and down the setting, you can see how it's dimming. Or you can switch it off completely as well, or switch it on. And then from that app, you can access all the different features.